One morning, Henry was teasing Edward because he did not get majority of the work. In fact, he barely worked at all. Oh, well, Edward, you might as well just sit in the shed like you used to back then. There's no point in it. Goodbye. And he trundled off, leaving poor Edward behind. No, it's not my fault. The Facajola's just keeping me here and letting me have light work so I don't burst the safety valve or something. I'm old and they're just trying to ease off of me. Oh well. He could put the flying Kipper. If I pulled a chain like that, I wouldn't be able to run. He fell asleep for the rest of the night. And all of the other engines did too. The next morning, Henry was returning from the flying Kipper, although he was gravely ill. Oh dear. Good. And Edward woke up. Oh, morning, Henry. What seems to be the matter? Nothing. It's nothing. It's ill to me. Hope you get well soon, eh? Edward had taken his daily trips from the harbour, and so he did. He took a flatbed of piping straight from the harbour. Come along now. I'm not saying this, but come on. And trundled off down the track. Dropped off his train at where they were building the new railway line. Alright, there's a train. Now I must be going off. Goodbye. Thank you, Edward. You're welcome. The workmen were building continuously just to get the line finished. It would take a while. Later, Duck had returned and was waiting in the shed. You know, Henry, you seem to be all that not nice. I'll say he's ill. Oh, hey, Toby. Oh, Duck, I've got some new paintwork. Look at me. Now I got blue side plates again. Oh, good to have them again. Haven't felt this nice in a while. I'm glad the Facajoli got them. Goodbye, Doug. Bye, Toby. Oh, Henry, sick. Oh, I must be going off. Goodbye. And Duck went off back to his branch line. Later that evening, Edward returned from his duties. He trundled back into the shed, right next to Henry, who was so sick. Then the Fat Controller arrived. Edward, I need you to take the flying Kipper, as Gordon has pulled the express a lot, and Genty, the new engine, obviously can't pull it from there. Oh, thank you, sir. Finally some good work. Right. Henry was shocked to hear this, but the Fat Controller left. Henry was cross, but not cross enough to be ill. And Edward puffed off to go get the flying Kipper, straight from the harbour. Oh dear. Leaving poor, sniffly Henry behind. I hope he knows what he's doing. Ooh. At last they arrived at the station. Edward was exhausted, but yet unbeaten and proud of himself. Ooh, ooh. We did it, Charlie. We did it. Atta boy, Edward, atta boy. We're not so old, are we? The next morning, Edward arrived back in the sheds. Henry was feeling better now, but was still cross. Edward was just tired. He looked at Henry and went to sleep. Good night. Henry just trundled away annoyed. And he went to go take his first freight train for the day. That day, Henry thought it was stupid for everyone. James and Thomas knew that